Come take a look at this 2007 Lincoln MKZ. This MKZ has just under 44,500 miles. For your protection, a service contract is available. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 26 on the highway. This MKZ boasts a 3.5-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the power moonroof, MKZ Odd Series Order Code, 6-speed automatic transmission, standard, cool LED front seating surfaces, REC, M perforated leather trim buckets, DVD navigation system, REC, 917 THXE certified premium sound system, navigation not available in Alaska, 3.5 LDO HC4V Duratec engine, standard, and the perforated leather trim buckets. Call 816-942-7100 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.